Good morning, children. Okay, I hope you all enjoyed the earlier class. Today we are going to continue with the lesson more. 6th class English, day 2. Okay, in the previous class, I have told you all the characters. Okay, actually the lesson name Clever Thoroughly Ramakrishna. The characters here are Chaitra Verma, the painter, he was famous painter in Krishna Devaraya's court. Coming again to the courtiers. And then again we get Ramakrishna. Ramakrishna also is the clever jester. We can say jester means the courtier in the court of Tenali Ramakrishna. Okay, ma. Here we can just go to the lesson today, ma. See, in the previous class we have discussed like what no, the king, the emperor means the king of kings. The emperor entered the court where the room where Chaitra Varma was painting a picture. It was so natural that the king liked it. The king liked it. Means the emperor, he liked it. And he said, I shall award you. And towards my knowledge, you are the best painter in the full world. That's what he gave a plus point. Who gave a plus point? The emperor gave him a plus point. So not only with that one, he said, from today onwards, you'll be, what now? You'll be my advisor. You'll be my advisor. Which advisor? The chief advisor in the court. That's what he awarded Chaitra Varma. But here, it was a surprise to the other courtiers because a person can do one thing or one work. What can a painter do? A painter can do only paintings. He cannot give any advice in the court, no? So even Chaitra Varma was shocked at the reward given by the emperor. Then here enters the minister said, okay, from today we'll continue the class, ma. Page number 3, take your pencils. Okay? So am I clear? You all are enjoying the classes? We should continue, ma. Here the minister says, no, yes, your majesty, I will make an announcement in the empire. So as the emperor's orders, what was the order of the emperor? He ordered that that there must be an announcement made where in the empire of Vijayanagara Empire, that from that day onwards means in cells that today onwards, that Chaitra Varma is the chief advisor for the king. Which king? Krishna Devaraya. I will make an announcement in the empire. Who said? The minister said, ma. But Chaitra Varma's plans and actions led to confusion everywhere. So Chaitra Varma actually, what was he? He was a painter. He was a good painter. You can say a better and excellent painter also he was. But here he was confused. He was not knowing what to do. Confused means he was not knowing what to do. Okay. Everywhere. He had never handled the matters of the court before. Here, yes, what does Chaitra Varma know? He knows to draw the best of paintings that please the king and the people of the empire. But he never knew anything about the matters of the court. Which led to his confusion. Okay, he was in a shock mood. His decisions were irrelevant. So, not correct. Okay, irrelevant means not correct. His conclusions lacked sense. Lacked sense means there was no sense in the what conclusions. With this, the people grew impatient. So impatient, opposite is patient. Impatient. Are you copying? Impatient, opposite, patient. So what happened? The people grew impatient. The people were shocked. They never knew what they were doing. They were okay. Why? Because how can a painter, let it be what he is. He may be the best, but he cannot be an advisor in the court. So people were shocked, and they were also they were in a state of totally we can say they were in a state of shock, like what was announced by the emperor. Yet the emperor continued to support him. But whereas the emperor, being the head and the leader of that certain area, he was confirmed that Chaitra Varma would be the advisor, and moreover, he supported him. He supported whom? He supported Chaitra Varma. The elders of the empire decided to seek help from the courtiers jester. So even the elders in the court, elders, we can say the senior citizens, the senior persons, they decided to seek help. Seek help means ask for help. Okay, ask for help from the court's jester. Course jester. Who was the court's jester that time? That time it was Tenali Ramakrishna. Who was the jester? Tenali Ramakrishna. In his matter. So Tenali Ramakrishna, as you all know, is a very famous for his cleverness and his wisdom and knowledge. Here comes Tenali Ramakrishna told them that he had an idea and assured them not to worry. Here at once there was support towards the confused people and the confused public. Tenali Ramakrishna assured them, he guaranteed them. What he guaranteed them? He said, I'll work out with a plan, and I'll assure that you all don't have to worry. In sense, don't bother. Just leave the matter in my hands. I will see to it. What the matter is that Chaitra Varma, the painter, will not be the advisor, the chief advisor in the court. One day, Tenali Ramakrishna approached the emperor Sri Krishna Devaraya. Here started the workout. The plan started now. So, what are the plan? The plan was nothing. He cannot tell directly now. So indirectly, he wanted to inform the king that his decision was wrong. Not directly, indirectly. So with the plan, one day Tenali Ramakrishna approached, came near to the king, went to the king, the emperor Sri Krishna Devaraya. So Tenali went to the emperor Sri Krishna Devaraya and will see what the plan is and how it does it work out. Ramakrishna said, Your Majesty means Your Highness. Your Majesty means Your Highness. Okay, ma'am. You know that I have been blessed with a baby boy. So this is the plan started by Tenali Ramakrishna. See what's the plan is now? He said, Your Highness, Your Majesty, you know that I have been blessed with a baby boy. So he's the father of a child. A boy baby. It's a boy baby. I will be happy if you visit my house for my boy's naming ceremony tomorrow. So he said, See, Your Highness, Your Majesty, I am blessed with a baby boy. And tomorrow I am going to have his naming ceremony. What not? The naming of the child. And I'll be happy if you visit the ceremony which is going to take place in my house. Taking place where? In my house. Means here, in sense, whose house, ma? Tenali Ramakrishna's house. So the king was invited. And happily the king will not say no, because he was also a very favorite to the king. Tenali Ramakrishna was very favorable to the king. At once, here the surprise grew. Sri Krishna Devaraya. This was the response of Sri Krishna Devaraya. Wonderful. He exclaimed. He showed his happiness. He showed his joyfulness. In his words. How wonderful. It's my pleasure, Ramakrishna. Pleasure means, I will come without having any problems. So he said, it's my pleasure, Ramakrishna. So what does the king mean here? The king meant that he accepted the invitation of whom? Of Ramakrishna, Tenali Ramakrishna. So what was the invitation, that the king must attend what? Attend the Tenali Ramakrishna's son's naming ceremony. The emperor visited Ramakrishna's house the next day. Yes, the ceremony was to be on the following day. The following day means the next day. So the emperor visited Tenali Ramakrishna's house the next day. At once the emperor went there. He went to visit the house of his jester. Tenali Ramakrishna with a bouquet of flowers in his hands. So you can say a bouquet of flowers, a bunch of flowers, see, whenever you greet a guest or anybody, you give them a bouquet of flowers. You can say it's a collection of flowers. Bouquet of flowers means a collection of flowers. We can say a bouquet of flowers. In the other word, we can say a basket of flowers. Both are right only. It comes under collections. With a bouquet of flowers in his hands, welcome, Your Majesty. We are grateful for your visit. At once, Tenali Ramakrishna went to the doorstep and welcomed the emperor. How did he welcome him? He welcomed him with a bouquet in his hands. He said, Welcome, Your Majesty, Your Highness. We are grateful for your visit. Because you came here being an emperor, we are very grateful to you. We will not forget what you have done. Please bless my son. Here, then he asked the emperor to bless his son. He asked the emperor for his blessings. For his blessings. Here comes, Sri Krishna Devaraya. He said, no, Dirghashama Baba. So he said, at once he blessed him. Blessed him to have a long life, This is a token of my love. So he said, he blessed him. And he said, to have a long life. And it was a token of whose love? My love means the emperor's love. The emperor puts a gold chain around the baby's neck. So commonly when you go for any birthday parties or any thing, ceremonies or any functions, compulsory you all take a gift and go with you all. Is it not? I am sure you all carry something to give your friends or whatever, your relations or your neighbors or whatever it is. Since you all are invited there. So here the emperor gave a what na? He gave a gold chain. What he gave? He gave a gold chain. That too, how he gave it? He did not give it in the hands. He put it around the baby's neck. He put it around the baby's neck. So whose baby was it now? It was whose baby? Tenali Ramakrishna's baby. And it was a baby boy. It was a boy child. So this was the plan. This was the plan of whom? This was the plan of Tenali Ramakrishna. Why? What was the plan? He wanted to tell the emperor indirectly that whatever he planned was not right, to make a painter the chief advisor. So he couldn't tell him directly. So he meant to say indirectly. So the king will realize his mistake. If not, the king will admit his mistake. If not, he will know what the fault he had done by announcing that a painter to be his chief advisor. Not only the emperor, even the Chaitra Varma also, he was confused because he was the painter. He never knew any affairs about the court. So how can he know about it? Here also they showed clearly that he also was himself confused. So this is the topic today, like how Tenali Ramakrishna planned. How he planned to make the emperor realize that is whatever he planned to do was not right. This is what we learned today. And what was the plan? The plan was that Ramakrishna plan was he invited the king. Why? For his son's son's naming ceremony. And here the plan works out. Successfully, So we'll see what was the plan and how it worked out, and how did the king admit, and how did Tenali Ramakrishna make the king understand what he did was his mistake. So this is today what we learned, my students. I think you all are enjoying the class, students, and the story is very interesting. I am putting you all in suspense each time I am studying the class. Tomorrow I will conclude the topic. Don't worry, just be patient. And today our work is read these meanings. Read meanings 2 times. So students, you all are posting your homeworks. I am very happy regarding that issue. But one thing, if you all post it in a clear and a better, and write better. I mean say your handwriting must be clear, If your handwriting is clear and neat means I'll be much happier. So I think you all will do it to make me happy. Write neatly and post your homeworks without fail. Any doubts? You can contact me directly. Thank you, students. Bye. Take care. Safe and secure.